You know what I mean? So it's just one of those things, like, let's all be like honeybees. You know what I mean? Not saying there has to be a queen bee, but I mean, we all resonate towards something, and I call that God's plan. You know what I mean? And we say amen. Amen towards God's plan. So if you want to buzz like Buzz Lightyear, go ahead. But buzz towards Buzz Lightyear and God's plan. You know, if you wanna buzz and hymn the flowers, or hymn the flowers. Now we're getting into Psalms, huh? Your boy's a poet and he don't even know it. A prophet and he don't even chauffeur it. I don't know. We'll go with that. But what I'm saying is, um, yeah, still be you, but you'll always hear the buzz of God's plan. It's just, are your antennas willing to listen? Are they tuned right? Do you need to get uh, some earwax out? Get a Q-tip? You know what I mean? So it's neither here nor there, but I just wanted to say love you guys, and God bless y'all on Love Island, Temptation Island, and yeah. So this is going to be the first of many talks, and God bless.